Alright, in this video what we're going to be doing is mounting the caster wheel to the chassis on the Wi-Fi Wheeler. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get our parts. Alright, here's our main chassis here. Here's one of the mounts. Alright, we're going to take this and put it over here. We have these three holes here. Just match it up. And then we're going to take this orange ring here. We're going to stick it into that spot there. Okay, and then we're going to take one of these, this one here, and then just put it over on top. Alright, and you might not be able to see it clearly, but these holes have to match up. So this top hole here, okay, matches with this hole here, which will then match with this hole here. Alright, and once we have all that matched up, then you can take one of these screws and then screw it all the way in, like so. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and screw it in, and I'm just getting it into the first one. Okay, that might be easier. Just get it in so it sticks out a little bit, then take this one, match it up with the hole there, and then screw in. Okay, now it's sticking out a little bit here, and then match it up with that hole there. Might be an easier way to do it. Okay, then hold it in place, and then we screw this in all the way. Okay, so once it's in there, it should be secure. And then now this is just pretty snug. This side doesn't have a screw, so we just match it up, and then put this screw into there. Alright, and screw this in, make sure all the holes are lined up, and then we should be good to go. Okay, it's looking good, looking straight. Let's do a little bit more, and we are good. Alright, so now this is the caster wheel that we assembled in the previous video. So we're going to take this and put it the longer side and put it through this hole. And it should go, oh, there it goes in. All right, and we have it sticking out a little bit, and then we need one more ring, which I didn't have on my table initially, but here's my other one, and we're gonna put it right there. And then I like to just kind of push on this a little bit so that the metal rod there is flush. So you can look at this, it's flush with the orange, so it's not sticking through. We don't want it too high. Okay, so there you go. Now this thing is free to spin 360 degrees, like I said, a caster wheel. Next step is to attach our left and right motors.